17 trays for a more tidy bathroom. Trays keep all your fragrances together rather than haphazardly spread out on a counter. This simple round mirrored tray from Glitter Guide fits the retro-style bathroom with its painted brick and vintage vanity. Keeping a mirrored tray spotless takes some diligence, but it's worth it in the end when you see the sparkles it makes from reflecting light in the space. Who's your style inspiration? Keep them in mind by displaying an image on a spacious tray like the one styled here by Tori Jane. This cheeky photo of actress Marilyn Monroe, surrounded by fresh peonies and retro jars for perfume and bath salts, make this a decorative and symmetrical vignette. In this bathroom by Cara Mann, the tray complements the antique beveled mirror. While the overall style of the bathroom is modern, the mirror and tray add a dash of glamour. The white and gold jars and boxes on the tray are well chosen to finish the look. Footed trays keep moisture from seeping in from the bottom, but be extra vigilant about keeping the counter underneath the tray clean and dry. This rustic dream bathroom, found on Happiness is Homemade, features a beautiful and practical multi-level tray for hand and finger towels, lotions, and beauty items. This wood and metal tray keeps the space organized and adds a little more storage capacity for smaller vanities. A dash of pink flowers nestled in a black lacquered Chanel tray adds color to this modern, monochrome bathroom by Dresner Design. This tray is homage to the owner's love of classic fashion brands and adds bold personality to a minimalist modern bathroom. For a glamorous and eclectic touch, try this faux python pattern tray in an all-white bathroom. The tray is simply decorated with a candle, hand lotion, and white roses. On an all-white countertop, the vignette, complete with a black and white framed print, becomes a visual point of interest. A vintage kitchen confectionery tray transforms this bathroom with extra practical storage space and a dash of quirky styling. This tray, styled by Sarah Joy, keeps practical items such as washcloths, soaps, and oils, as well as a bouquet of fresh flowers set in a mason jar. Vintage style can be pretty and dainty, too. And if you thought that only rectangle trays were pretty, think again. This hexagonal aqua tray, styled by Kyle Knight Design, is just the perfect kind of original for a bathroom. It's unexpected, the shape contrasts to the rectangles around it, and the color is subtle enough so it does not distract from the natural beauty of the surrounding marble. The matching vases of pink flowers makes this a soft and symmetrical pink and green vignette. If you are looking for something a little more modern, try a minimal white lacquer tray. In this bathroom by Rosa Beltran Design, the tray's low-edge profile won't take up too much visual space in the room. However, set on a contrasting soapstone countertop means the tray shines on its own. The tray also holds a chevron soap tray to further protect jewelry from moisture. An elegant office paper tray made of leather finds a home in this bathroom by Asha Wynn Design. The contents on the tray are simple: a candle, fresh flowers, a mirror, and hand towels. White makes a great contrast to the brown leather and brings out the silver reflections of the studs all along the outer edges of the tray. Be sure to condition a leather tray that lives in a moist and humid bathroom to protect it from cracking and deteriorating. A mirrored glass tray adds another jewel-like layer to a bathroom. This tray in a bathroom by Susan Glick Interiors is classic, understated, and echoes the beveled edge wall mirror. A bouquet of fresh white roses, a small picture, and some fragrance bottles fill it up. This pretty rectangular silver tray, decorated by Erica Brechtel, shows how you can add a touch of the unique to your bathroom without having to change anything else. The delicate silver filigree tray, the small, decorative bottles, and the small ink print behind the tray all combine to make an irresistible antique-like vignette. This simple but elegant tray from Becky Owens is filled with everyday items like makeup brushes, matches, hand towels, fragrances, and lotions. The brush jar and tissue box have a pretty, filigreed finish that adds visual interest and reflects the wallpaper's pattern in this otherwise neutral bathroom. The tallest items are placed in the back so you can easily reach for anything you need. Make sure any wood tray used in a bathroom is properly sealed to protect it from moisture and humidity. 100-layer cake proves that styling a simple wooden tray with decorative jars, dried flowers, and a geode instantly neatens up a bathroom. You may even have a similar unused tray in your home office or kitchen just waiting to be filled with grooming supplies. The neutral color of this tray suits any bathroom, and handles make it easy to move. Use opaque canisters to hide less attractive items, utilitarian hair clips, for example, that you still want close by. The top of a toilet tank is a perfect surface for a storage tray. A simple oval pewter tray is set here on the tank to hold a candle, fragrances, and lotions. For practical purposes, a smaller tray works best on top of a tank so it doesn't get in the way. A delicate elegance defines this shallow silver tray from home to me. Retro glass jars, apothecary bottles, and beautiful fresh flowers work together to bring a sense of relaxation and luxury. This is the perfect setup for a more traditional style bathroom. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.